magandang araw sa lahat, mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, mga taga-subaybay sa ating vlog. Ngayong araw na ito, mayroon tayong bagong lesson sa Algebra. Ang ating lesson ay lesson number 4. Ang topic natin ay zero and negative exponent. Noong mga nakaraan nating video, atin pong diniscuss ang law of exponent. So, isa sa mga na-discuss natin doon ay yung product law. No? So, yung product law ay atin pong diniscuss ito. At sa product law, ating sinabi na ang x to the m times x to the n is equals to xm plus n. So, i-add lang natin yan. Where our m and n are positive integers. Yan. Kaya lang, what if the n is 0? So, pag ginawa natin 0, then applying this 0 dito, so we have x to the m times n to the 0 power. So, ang ating magiging product ay x times x to the m plus 0. So, meaning, ang exponent natin ay naging 0. Now, if from this product here, if x is not 0, then we divide it by m, x to the n, m. Yan. So, if we will divide this by x, x to the m plus 0, so therefore this will become also, go back to this equation, okay? If we divide that by x to the m, so we will be able to get this value. Okay? So from that, makita natin na x to the m times x to the 0 power over x to the m is equals to x to the m over x to the m. Meaning, nasaan na yung napunta yung x to the 0? Ang x to the 0 is actually equal to 1. Paano siya naging equal to 1? Because x to the 0 is equals to m. X to the m over x to the m is equals to 1. So, ibig sabihin, if you divide x to the m by x to the m, that is equivalent to 1. So, paano ang 0 nagiging 1? X to the 0 is equals to 1. It will be explained to this. So, ano ibig sabihin? Ang m, x to the m over x to the m, yung m dito will become negative. Kasi inangat natin, no? Inangat natin. Pag inangat natin yung m here, inangat natin, so ibig sabihin, parang ganito yan, x to the n, m, times x to the m negative. Bakit negative? Kasi yung denominator, inakyat natin with the same label here, no? So, pareho na silang label. Wala nang denominator, wala sa ilalim, inakyat natin para magpareho sila. So, ang nangyari, we will apply this formula here. So, x to the m minus m, therefore, x will become 0 power. So therefore, x to the 0 is equals to 1. Anong ibig sabihin yan? If the exponent is 0, then that is equivalent to 1 because it simply means that the number is divided by itself. Kaya any number raised to 0 is 1. So, miski million, billion pa yan, raised to the 0, that will be equal to 1. So, that is why we have the 0 and negative exponent. No? So, 0 exponent. So, yan po ang paliwanag dyan. I hope that you'll be able to get the principle. Ang ating diniscuss dito, principle. Why? Because later, magagamit natin ito sa ating mga other processes. Okay? So, this is, again, as I said, we are still in the foundational stage. So, yan, mga foundation yan. Intindihin natin because it is very important. Okay, so going to the negative exponent. So, ang negative exponent, kumbaga nga, yung x natin, yung base, is x raised to the negative m. So, meaning, I will have an negative exponent. So, yung negative exponent is equal to the reciprocal. No? So, atin lang daw kunin yung, ibalik natin siya para mawala yung negative. Ang tunay niyang kalagayan ay nasa denominator. Power of the x, denominator x. So, or reciprocal of this, no? So, you will see now that the negative is no longer exist. Okay? So, yung negative exponent is equivalent to the reciprocal of this term here, no? The reciprocal. Kumbaga nga, gusto mong tanggalin yung negative, ibalik mo siya sa posisyon. Or, kung sakali naman na baliktad, kung mayroon naman ganito, 1 over x to the negative m. So, negative naman to, ang tutuon niya kalagayan ay x to the m. So, ibalik mo siya sa taas. Ito naman siya, ilagay mo siya sa baba. So, kaya nagiging positive. Ito naman negative na denominator, pag iakyat mo siya, magiging positive. See? So, ganon ang negative exponent. Okay, applying this again, number 2, paano naman kung may negative a to the negative 1 over b to the negative 1? So, anong ibig sabihin? Parang ganito lang yan. No? Ulitin ko lang to ha. Okay. Para maintindihan natin. So, ibig sabihin yan, ang totoong kalagayan nito, kung titingnan natin, ganito yan. Para mawala yung kanilang totoong posisyon, 1 over A over 1 over B. Yan. So therefore, reciprocal over, or the fractional over fraction, therefore, itong denominator will go up and the denominator of the numerator will go down. The denominator of the denominator will go up and the denominator of the numerator will go down. Kaya pag nangyari yan, magiging ganito na. Ang B, punta sa taas, ang A, pupunta sa baba. Wala na yung negative exponent. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin lang yan, itaas mo lang yan at ito ibaba, yun na ang totoong posisyon nila. Okay, next. Number 3. So, number 2, number 3, or letter C. O, kunwari daw, the equation is, or the term is a to the cube, b to the minus cube, d to the fourth, and c to the minus cube. So, anong ibig sabihin? Nakalinya sila, walang denominator. Pero, kung gusto mong mawala yung negative na exponent, ito na daw ang magiging ano niya, in the fractional form, para mawala yung negative, because this is a denominator, this is a denominator, and this is the numerator. That's why, this ay ating ibaba, ang ating B ibaba, wala na yung negative, dahil sila ay nasa posisyon ng denominator. Okay. So last, we have here, okay, B to the negative cube, C cube, D to the minus 5 over A to the minus cube, B to the fifth, E to the minus 3 or minus cube, or E to the negative 3 exponent. Okay. So, ang goal natin, walain natin ang negative. So, ito, para mawala ang negative, ilagay mo siya sa denominator, kaya ito ay magiging B cube, at yung negative A cube, negative, para mawala yung negative, itaas mo. So, tinaas na natin. Tapos, ito, as is, ang ating A cube, kumbaga nga, ang C, so, kung nawala yung C natin. Yung C ay, andito pa rin. C cube, okay? So, we have the E cube, tinaas natin. Yung ating D to the fifth ay binaba natin. Okay? Binaba natin. Okay? So, nakababa na ang D, nakababa na ang B cube, nakababa na ang lahat na negative, at nakataas na rin ang lahat ng negative dito sa denominator. So, therefore, kung ating titingnan to, meron pa dito, C cube. Saka dito, C cube. Okay. So, C cube, A cube, E cube. Kaya lang, ito dito, B at saka B to the fifth at B to the cube, pareho ang base. Kaya i-add natin. Okay? So, D to the fifth. Therefore, the final answer now is A to the cube, E to the cube, and C to the cube over B. So, yung 3 plus 5 ay 8. B8, B to the 8, and D to the 5th. So, this will become your final presentation if you remove the negative value. No? So, wala nang negative, binalik na natin siya sa tamang posisyon. Okay? So, in other words, yan po ang ating consideration sa zero and negative exponent. So, diyan lang po matatapos yung ating lesson number 2 para maintindihan natin ang mga paggamit ng exponent na negative at exponent na zero. Kaibigan, mga estudyante na nanonood, salamat sa inyong pakikisa at tuloy nating isipin na inyo lang i-like, i-share at mag-subscribe. Bayad na kayo.